Hi guys, I'm Nate. I'm here to talk to you about ClayLock. ClayLock is an additive that is used to prevent reactive clays from swelling. This is a non-toxic water-based formula that is used to bind the faces of the clay together so that as water is introduced to those reactive clays, they can't push apart and swell. If you've ever drilled into swelling clays before, you know how sticky this situation can be. When water hits the clay surfaces of these reactive clays, the water starts to push the clay platelets apart, which causes them to swell. What ClayLock does is ClayLock gets back between those faces, it holds the clay faces together so that water can't push them apart, and that keeps them from swelling up on you. Generally speaking, you're going to use 1 to 3 bags of ClayLock per 500 gallons, depending on the severity of the clay you're in. I strongly encourage you, if you can get a sample of it, to do some jar tests to determine how much ClayLock it takes to fully react with the particular clay that you're in. And I fully understand that you can't always get that sample, so sometimes you're going to have to empirically determine it as you drill, just by watching your returns and feeling the level of torque and drag on your drill. If you know you're going to need ClayLock, then we tell you to go ahead and put it in your mix before you start drilling. It should be the last thing that you put in your tank. So you'll put in all your Pro Drill, Bore Shield, Geosweep, whatever else you're adding, you'll put that in first, and your ClayLock will go in last. If you happen to find reactive clays as you're drilling, then I would suggest that you go ahead and put 1 bag right down the drill stem so that you get a lot of product down around the bit and the tools so that you can try to get the clay broke loose from where it's swelling up around your tooling. I would then put 1 to 3 in your tank. I would swab a rod or 2 to make sure that you've circulated some of that fluid throughout the borehole, and then I would continue drilling, monitoring your returns carefully as you go. We have great success with this product all around the country. You're going to love it too, and I look forward to seeing you in the ditch.